All right. Hi. What's your name?
Lisa?
Lisa. I'm Susan. Have we met before today?
No.
Okay. And do you know what I'm going to do?
I think you're going to try to move me somehow.
All right. But have I coached you on what to do or not do?
No.
Okay. So what I'm going to do is show the difference in using a Western-minded power against power versus using more of a Tai Chi approach. And then I'll tell you and I'll teach her actually how to do it to show you how easy this is to acquire. All right? So you can get, I think you probably could get in what we call a bow stance, which is 1 foot in front, that's right. Make 2 fists, and you're okay for me to resist me a little bit?
Yeah.
You're safe with that? Okay, so if I push against you, this is force on force and you're strong, so it just comes right back at me. So,
yeah.
Like, you know, in Western minded, if we're approaching a conflict, we tend to be forceful, and really philosophically and realistically, sometimes that comes right back at us, just like that.
Absolutely, yes.
So we use a different technique in Tai Chi, and so I just, yeah.
It didn't even look like you were trying.
Exactly. And what did you feel?
Force. I felt like I couldn't resist it.
Right. And did it feel the same as the first?
No, it's not like hard. I wouldn't describe it as like a hard shove, but just something I couldn't withstand.
Yeah.
Kind of.
Want to try it again?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. All right, so I'll do it wrong first.
Okay.
So the wrong way is you're resisting and I'm resisting, and we're both working really hard. You can see that my muscles are working in my arms, and really because of the, you know, strength differential, there's just no way I'm gonna win that. But when I use the Tai Chi technique, there it is.
That's wild.
Isn't that something?
That is wild, yes.
It's like magic, isn't it?
It is.
Because really, when you think about it, there's no way that I should be able to move either one of you. Like pure physics.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so now I'll teach, and then you'll do it to me, so I'll show you how simple this really
Okay.
is. Yeah, you'll be fine.
Okay.
If not, we just won't include it in the video.
Yeah, that's right.
That's the beauty of it. Okay, so you're going to grab a hold of me now, and I'll resist you. So you push, and we'll do it wrong. Yeah. So again, you know,
Yeah.
I can resist more. Yeah. Okay. So then, what we're doing there is we're just really tapping into that person's bones and muscles, and you're using your muscles. But we're going to go into a different system that offers a little less feedback to the person.
Okay.
So we have the skin. Can you zoom in a little bit there? We have the skin, and then we have muscle, right? And underneath that is bone. Those have a lot of receptors that give us a feedback loop to know what to do and how to resist. But in between the skin and muscle is this layer called the fascia.
Okay. Yeah.
Fascia, yeah.
I've heard of fascia.
There you
Yeah.
go. And covers the whole body. And it's all interconnected. And in all the Tai Chi movements, we're actually moving our fascia in these long excursions. It's really, incredible how they knew about this back then. So when I take you here, what I'm doing is rather than using my muscle, your muscle, I'm using the fascia. I'm getting to your fascia. You see how you started to tilt right there?
Yeah.
And then I just take your joints from the fascia, and then I can move you so easily. So
Yeah.
now you do it to me.
Well,
Yeah, you do it.
Okay.
I'm sweating a little bit. Is that bothering you?
No, it doesn't bother me.
All right, so
I'm
just take your
sweating too.
hand, and rather than grab hold, just slide like that, and then go a little slower, and you feel how there's this little point where you feel it kind of lock.
Yes, right there.
That's the fascia. So do that. So just both arms, just sort of slide it until you feel that lock. Now don't push yet.
Okay.
Okay, so get there, lock it. Now pretend you're going to go into my joints instead of my body. Yeah, and then you can go.
Yeah, that's like no effort hardly.
No effort.
No effort.
That's the magic of it, and that's why we have to practice with people, because it's like you can't even believe it's true, because it's so, there you go, so much less effort.
That is amazing.
Isn't it?
Yes.
And you can spiral it because it can work in a spiral. So if I take you and I spiral you like that, then I have your joints even better. You see that? So you can try that rather than just a line. So just take that top layer, kind of like it's saran wrap.
Yeah.
Twist it. There you go. And now feel how you have my elbows?
Yeah.
Now get my shoulders. You don't have to twist more. You use your mind.
Okay.
So twist. Here's my elbows. Now pretend you have my, you don't have to twist more though, because the more you twist, the more I feel it. There you go. Now just pretend you have my spine. Yeah, like the musical line. Mm-hmm. Now my feet. And then now go forward. Don't have to add any more to that. And there it is.
That's really crazy.
It is. Welcome to Tai Chi.
Thank you. I don't know.
Thank you so much. Isn't that something?
That's amazing.
Yeah.